Hi guys, this is statistics. This is one of the more interesting ones that you'll go through the class, at least. Mainly because the book is not located in the actual lessons. It's not embedded in them. So what you have to do is you have to go to the yellow backpack when you open up the lessons and go into the web page resources, and that's where you'll find the book. It's one of the best. It's a great book on explaining statistics. It's just tough to get there. So basically, this is the beginning. What are we doing? How do we do it? Why are we thinking of statistics? Well, since this is beginning statistics, we will just start out with the basics. Okay, statistics just make sense of the world around us. There's a lot of data for us to take in, and we have to make sense of it. Okay, so I mean, that's just basically it. Like, do you want to make sense of certain things? Yes. And then you just work over it. One of the best important things to do is in your book is to keep a running dictionary of terms and formulas that apply to those terms, because if when you experience these terms in a test and you're like, oh man, I don't know what to do with that, you can go back, look at your notes and go, okay, I should be using this, I should be working with this. Also, a TI-84 calculator is highly recommended. However, if you do not have that, you can find tons of calculators online that can actually help you find certain information. Okay, so TI-84, the best one to use, and you're going to be using the stat button a lot. Okay, and just remember, you can create lists there, you can calculate, and you can also edit information. So there's a lot of stuff you can do in the stat button that, you know, is something that you should take time with. You should go look at, and instructions are just the best. However, when we have to do like regression analysis, if you're like lost on directions and you can't find any directions and stuff, just Google that term and then put calculator after it, and it should come up. Okay, so there should be a lot of great things out there. Regression analysis, I think you have to press stat and you make your list, and then you go to stat again, then you go to calculate, then you do linear regression or power regression or exponential regression, and then you have to put in your list. Yeah, I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff. I could try to explain it right now, but I'm not going to. I'll save that for later when we come across it. Okay, huge thing though is that when you're using the book, and if you aren't using the book, you're going to have a struggle with this class. It's just going to be an absolute hard thing to work with. It's just going to be something that you're going to struggle with. So please get access to the book. Go to the yellow backpack here. I'll actually bring it up. Well, yeah, I'm going to talk about some other stuff. Okay, so real fast, just talking about all this stuff. There's a great website, mathisfun.com. It is right here, and it's most of the statistical stuff will be under data. So if you click on data, you can actually go to a lot of stuff that's probability and statistics. So check that out when you get a chance, and go Google a lot of stuff. It should help you out. Okay, have a great day, you guys, and I'll see you later.